3 years after Whirlpool identified a potential safety risk with some of its tumble dryers, an investigation by which has found appliances the manufacturer claims to have fixed are still catching fire. In Hampshire, Jemma Spurr was forced out of the family home after her repaired dryer set alight.
I came into the kitchen and I was hoovering up and I could smell something. And I opened the garage door and it was just shock when I opened the door, and I just heard the crackling of the flames, and the flames were just billowing out the tumble dryer. At the time, my 2-year-old was stood behind me. So the fire brigade came out and they lifted the garage door up and just smoke just flew out. Fire service said that it was the tumble dryer that had caught fire. One of the engineers was saying that it's the worst tumble dryer fire that he's ever seen. I literally just thick black smoke, and the tumble dryer was here under the boiler, and I just saw the orange flames just billowing out of it.
You've had work done already to fix some of this, but
yeah,
you can see there's black all over the walls.
Yeah, this is like 90% better than what it were. I mean, at the time you couldn't actually see anything in here, it were all so black. The light bulb that was here, the glass had melted and come down into like a long pointy shard.
So this is just some of the stuff you've managed to salvage. I mean, your kid's bike is melted.
Yeah.
If what you've managed to save is this, I hate to think what the rest of the stuff was like.
Yeah, I mean, this is where the old gas pipe went. I didn't actually realise that the fire was so close to that gas pipe, and that's when the fireman said if that fire had been going off 5 minutes longer, it would have been a different story. That's when I realised how much of a different story this could be. I could not be here telling you this story today.
Whirlpool says it has total confidence in the dryer modification, which has been tested and is supported by UK regulatory bodies. A spokesperson told us there have been no reported incidents where the modification has proven to be ineffective. But at-risk unmodified machines remain in households across the country. If your Whirlpool dryer is one of those affected, unplug it immediately and don't use it until it's been fixed. To find out whether yours is at risk, use our appliance checker tool at which.co.uk/dryerfire.